Aww. What's wrong?
You can see me?
Yes, although you are currently at 60% opacity.
Wow.
I knew it. No such thing as ghosts.
I wouldn't mind if I was a ghost.
Why would you say that?
Skater and Humblebluff are ignoring me.
Why would trolls ignore another troll?
Something sounds fishy. Let's help Glump.
Help a troll? Oh my.
You can see how upset he is. It's not nice to feel ignored.
But where are Skater and Humblebluff?
Boo!
Aha! That sounds like troll scaring Oolies to me. Let's go. You too, Glump.
Oolie!
Stop scaring the Oolies.
Oh, why, yes, of course, we won't.
Skater, Humblebluff, it's me! Can I join in?
Did you hear something, Skater?
Nope, didn't hear a thing. Come on, Humblebluff, let's find more Oolies to boo-boo-boolie.
Well, they're definitely ignoring you.
What happened before they started doing this?
We were just getting ready to start scaring Oolies when it happened.
Well, whatever the reason, nobody should treat others in a way that hurts them. Don't worry, Glump. We'll figure it out.
Oh, yes, be more careful. Oh, what a relief. Bye, Clickies. Glad I could help. Ah, there you all are.
Hi, Mayor Garth.
Hello, Alva. Mouth, palm, bean. What's that? Is that a ghost?
It's Glump. He's sad and see-through because the trolls are ignoring him.
Fascinating. I've heard about this gizmo-strange phenomenon where if someone's ignored, they almost disappear. Ingizable, that's what it's called. But no one's ever mean enough in Gizmo to make someone ingizable.
And no one should ever be made to feel ingizable. But it's giving me an idea that might help Glump.
Trollerific.
I'm bored. How comes there's no Oolies to scare? Huh?
Sounds like the Oolies are having fun. Let's ruin it. What? Yeah, that's definitely mine.
But your Gizkite doesn't have yellow spots like this one, does it?
Oh yeah, you're right.
Now, if you'll excuse me, I got a Gizkite to fly. Cheerio!
Aw.
Skater, look out for the...
Hey, I don't need any help, thanks. I know how to fly it. Huh? Huh? What? The signal's gone! Huh? Ah. Oh, no! Oh.
Mo, I'm glad I kept my eyes peeled for trolley tricks, because I think I can see some right now. You just stuck yellow dots onto Humblebluff's Gizkite, didn't you?
What? She's right! This is my Gizkite!
Yeah, it's hers, all right. I duplicated your remote control yesterday when you weren't looking. I've been flying it all day, and you foolies, you were chasing it all over town. My followers are gonna go wild for this video.
But why would you troll another troll? Don't you normally stick together?
I got bored of trolling Oolies. I wanted to see if I could troll a troll. And spoiler alert, I could.
I can't believe it.
Wasn't that the funniest trick ever? Come on, Humble Bluff. You thought it was funny, right?
Yeah, good one, Skeefer. You really got me. Way to go.
Yeah, see, I knew you'd like it. Now, come on. Let's get back to troll 'em and cook up some more nasty trolly tricks.
Now that sounds like fun.
Come on, Humble Bluff.
Thanks for helping me get my Gizkite back.
Happy to help.
Yeah, well,
Well, I'm glad we helped out.
But why? My calculations were correct. It was troll trickery.
Yes, but not by Humble Bluff. It feels good to be nice to someone. Hello, Oolies. Oh,
They do not seem pleased to see us.
that's weird.
Alva, Mo, thank goodness you're here. We're all just so confused.
What's happening, Mayor Garth?
Everyone in Gizmo has received strange messages from you, but they've all just been silly tricks.
What? But I would never do anything like that.
This does sound unusual. Tell us more about the strange messages, Mayor Garth.
Well, Oolie Pop got a message from Alva to dance by the Blobbo tree. But Alva never showed up,
Uh-oh.
leaving Oolie Pop waiting in the cold. She had to dance by herself just to stay warm.
Oh, still no sign of Alva.
Oh, poor Oolie Palm. That's terrible.
What else happened?
Well, let me see. Oh, Oolie Bean got a message from Alva saying there was a pink Gizmo moon, seen only once in a gazillion moons.
That's just a regular moon.
Only there was no pink Gizmo moon, just lots of rain.
Huh? Why did Alva send me here?
Oh no, I feel awful for Oolie Bean. But I didn't send any of these mean messages.
They look like they came from you. See?
But I don't even have a Giz phone. Someone's playing mean and silly tricks, pretending to be me.
That's not very nice for you or the Oolies.
Who could be sending these fake messages?
Sending fake messages pretending to be Alva is the best gag ever pulled on those Oolie foolies.
Yeah, and we didn't even have to troll wig in some stinky bush.
But we're hiding in a bush right now.
Oh, yeah. But at least it's not stinky. Let's send more fake messages.
Oh, hi everyone.
Hi, Oolie Bean. I'm really sorry about the pink Gizmo moon, but it was a fake message from someone pretending to be me.
I thought it was strange, but I just got another message from you a moment ago. Look.
Huh?
Can you tell me what that means?
Urgent. Meet me in the park. Bring all your trolley pops.
Alva, the message says it was sent a minute ago.
This isn't from Alva. She's been right here with me all this time, and she didn't send anything. This is another mean trick.
So you don't want any trolley pops?
No, thank you.
Aha! Alva says, sorry, fake Alva says, leave your trolley pops in the park by the bubble bush.
Maybe we can use them to find my faker for real and stop them from tricking any more Oolies. This way.
Yay!
Oolie Bean, leave your trolley pops there. We'll hide and see who's faking it being me. Someone's coming! Quick!
Oh, my.
Ha! Trolley pops! Oolie Bean fell for it!
Our fake messages really are the best.
Let's take a photo photo and send another fake message from fake Alva thanking the Oolie Foolie.
Humble bluff, too funny.
It's not funny. You're just a couple of mean trolls who shouldn't pretend to be someone you're not.
Jen is still ghosting me.
I hope she isn't playing a mean trick on you.
It's from Jen. She said she was moving house and had no Wi-Fi, no phone coverage. But now she's reconnected. She wasn't ghosting me after all.
No one should be made to feel ingizzable.
Ingizzle what?
It's the opposite of this.
Huh?
Yay!
Alva's world, fun is never